So we're going to take a look at a way to insert a question that allows students to put a certain number of things in order. Google Forms doesn't have a drag and drop option, so there's a couple workarounds. I think this is the most friendly. What you want is you want a multiple choice grid, and you're going to have columns and rows. Put your directions up in the question. And then I would use the rows to write out the description of what you want kids to put in order. So this would be description of step 1, description of step 2, and so on. Just for time purposes, I'm only going to put 3 things in there. Over in columns, I would just put step 1, step 2, step 3, however many you have. So your description's here and your step is over here. You want to make sure that you're in a quiz mode. Make this a quiz. We can save that. And a couple of other things help to make sure that kids aren't going to like select 2 of step 2. So you want to make sure that you require a response in each row. And then you also want to make sure that you limit to 1 response per column. And what that's going to do is it's going to give kids an error message if they identify 2 of those steps being in the same order. You can do your answer keys, so you can set this up. So this description should be step 1, this description should be 2, this one should be 3. Obviously, you would do a better job at mixing those up. And I would click done. What that looks like from the student view, if you go up to the little preview button up at the top, is it looks like this. And then students will have to click, this is step 1. Oh, it's telling me I have to have a response in each row. Okay, I think this is step 3. I think this is step 1. Oops, I've identified 2 in step 1. I can't have that. So now they have to make sure that they have 1 that matches up for each. I think that's probably the easiest, most kid-friendly way to do that. And then they would submit their response. And this is something that will grade in the background for you because I've set that as a quiz and I've made sure that I have an answer key. Hope that helps.